Okay, the next thing we can do is actually we can customize the application. We're going to go to living room and we're going to go to edit. I'm going to click edit. Okay, now I'm on living room and up here we have 4 different devices. And if I click the first one here or change the icon. Now, when I go to the second button and if I click here, I have many options here. Let's choose this one here, for example. And I particularly like this color here. So that will change the text and the screen will look a little bit differently, as you can see here. And the third button, if I click here, you can actually rename the category or the zone. For example, now here we have living room. I can edit this and name it as I really want. And the fourth button, if I click here, I can actually change the color of the text and everything. Let's say, for example, I choose the purple one. As you can see here, everything has changed in purple color, all the text. And if I want to change it again, I just press here again and put it back to blue. After that, each individual section has its own edit buttons, as you can see right here on this section. For example, I will go to the first one. I will click on edit. As you can see here, there are 3 types of widgets: list, large widget, and small widget. In this case, let's change to large widget. Click done. The large widget shows that over here we can change the temperature of the thermostat, minus, plus. So basically you don't have to go into very detail by doing that. I'm going to change the last one here, edit, to list view. I will click here and click on list and press done. Now another thing we can do is we can add sections or remove sections. In this case, I will go to edit and I will scroll down. I will go to add new section. I will click here. And over here, as you can see, we have 3 icons. Devices means all the devices we have here. The shortcuts is we can actually do shortcuts to different categories. Dashboards, for example, zones and locations. And the last one is charts. I'm going to click on charts. If you want to add a new device, we have to go down, find the plus pink button here and click on it. Now, as you can see here, the system is showing us all the devices that our chart activated into. For example, in this case, we only have chart on the thermostat, as you can see here. We're going to click here. And after that, we're going to press done. We're going to scroll down. As you can see here, the chart has been edited. And we're going to press on edit. And we have 3 types: small, medium, and large. We're going to click on large and then press done. I'm going to scroll down again. As you can see here, we have the chart section again has been activated to large. So the next topic will be, we're going to go over here up here and click on here. And as you can see here, we have some arrows here on the shading, lighting, and chart section. For example, if I press the arrow up, it will actually change the location of the shading, heating, and so on. If I press the arrow down, as you can see now, the shading became in the middle and heating came up. Let's try that here at lighting. I press lighting. As you can see, lighting just moved 1 step ahead, and so on. And then after that, we can press done. Another topic is that we can change the order of the lighting. For example, let's go to lighting here. I'm going to hold the button and just drag it up. And as you can see, it came to number 1, first place. If I want to put it back, again, I'm going to click here. I'm going to hold the button and just drag it down. Another feature is that we can actually remove the devices from the dashboard. In order to do that, I'm just going to click on the X here, as you can see. For example, let's remove the first three. So basically, I'm just going to click on the X here. And as you can see, it's not visible here anymore. We can also adjust which categories are displayed by default. In this case, for example, if I go to all categories and click on it, you can see here the third ones are heating, shading, and lighting. The other ones are listed below. If I press edit, I can add also the last one to favorites by clicking on the star here. And as you can see here, it's visible. And after that, we can press done. As you can see here, it has been added to my favorites.